How to cancel Notion Plus subscription. To cancel your Notion Plus subscription, first of all, you have to launch the desktop application or log into the Notion web portal. Then click on Settings and Members option located at the top left sidebar. Then ensure the workspace switcher drop-down displays the correct workspace you want to cancel. Then click on Billing under the workspace header section in the settings sidebar. Review your active plan type, subscription cycle, and upcoming renewal charge date. Then click the Update Plan or Change Plan link next to your active subscription status. Then downgrade to the free tier and verify account status changes. You simply have to check your inbox and ensure you receive an automated confirmation email from the Notion verifying the downgrade order. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.